سلام چطورین خوبین چه خبر؟ Today I'm going to show you how to use the Persian adjective construction to describe the world around you. Just like in English, we can simply use adjectives together with linking verbs such as budan, to be. However, unlike English, since Persian sentences end with the verb, the adjective goes before the verb and not after it. For example, kuchik in Persian is small, little, or young. So if we want to say a sentence like my apartment is small, we can simply put kuchik together with a and say apartman man kuchike. And for a sentence like my family is big, we simply put buzurg together with a and say خانواده من بزرگه. Similarly, if we want to say today the weather is nice, we would put خوب together with a and say امروز هوا خوبه. Following the same construction, tonight the weather is bad would be امشب هوا بده. Summer is hot is تابستون گرمه. Winter is cold is زمستون سرده. Is Persian difficult is Farsi سخته. Is your job difficult or easy? is کار تو سخت یا آسونه. His or her neighborhood is expensive is محله اون گرونه. Is your city cheap or expensive? is شهر شما ارزون یا گرونه. This movie is old is این فیلم قدیمیه. And this is new is این جدیده. We can also use adjectives together with nouns in Persian. For that, we need ezāfe as the linking element between our noun and our adjective. Unlike in English, we put the noun first and the adjective goes after, with ezāfe in between to link the noun to the adjective that's modifying it. For example, when we want to say a small apartment, we start with our noun, apartman, we attach our linking element to it, and then we add our adjective, kuchik. Apartman kuchik. And if we want to form an adjective phrase like big family in Persian, first we use our noun, خانواده, and then we link our adjective to it by using ezāfe in between. خانواده بزرگ. Following the same construction, an adjective phrase like good boy would be پسر خوب. Bad weather is هوای بد. Warm season would be فصل گرم. Cold season, فصل سرد. Difficult language, زبان سخت. Easy job, کار آسون. Expensive neighborhood, محله گرون. Cheap city, شهر ارزون. Old friend, دوست قدیمی. And new flatmate, همخونه جدید. You might have noticed a ی in red ink in خانواده بزرگ, هوای بد, محله گرون, and همخونه جدید. The reason we're using this ی in between our noun and ezāfe in these phrases is because whenever ezāfe is preceded by a vowel like a, e, o, a, e, or u in Persian, we insert a ی in between the two vowels to avoid the vowel clash. For example, in a phrase like گربه تو, your cat, the word گربه is ending in the vowel e, and ezāfe is another vowel. So we insert a ی to avoid a clash between the two vowels. Similarly, his or her gift would be کادوی اون. Our dad would be بابای ما. Your ice cream would be بستنی شما. And their shampoo would be شامپوی اونا. Now let's put our adjective phrases within sentences. If you want to say I live in a small apartment in Persian, we would say من توی یه آپارتمان کوچیک زندگی می کنم. If you want to say I have a big family, we would say من یه خانواده بزرگ دارم. Who's a good boy would be کیه پسر خوبه. And would you go out in bad weather would be تو توی هوای بد میری بیرون؟ Now take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say summer is a warm season. تابستون یه فصل گرمه. Winter is a cold season. زمستون یه فصل سرده. Is Persian a difficult language? فارسی یه زبان سخته. Do you have a difficult or an easy job? تو یه کار سخت یا آسون داری. She lives in an expensive neighborhood. اون توی محله گرون زندگی میکنه. Do you live in a cheap city or an expensive one? شما توی یه شهر ارزون یا گرون زندگی میکنین. Tina is an old friend. تینا یه دوست قدیمیه. They have a new flatmate. اونا یه همخونه جدید دارن. Perfect. Now you know how to use Persian adjectives in your descriptions. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.